Hey, this is Julie in the Greenzone, and today we're hopefully going to clear up the confusion around which pressure washer tip to use. Pressure washer nozzles are actually color-coded to indicate the degree of spread each tip provides. A narrow spread provides more pressure to a small area, which increases the cleaning power. So basically, a smaller spread means more pressure. First is the red tip, which has 0 degrees of spread. And this is going to be one of your most powerful ones. And this is good for cleaning off dirt and debris on concrete, masonry, stonework, aluminum, etc. It can be used on softer materials, but you're going to want to be careful about gouging wood and damaging more fragile surfaces. Next is the yellow tip, which has 15 degrees of spread. And this is typically used for surface preparation, such as removing paint, mildew stains, and other dirt. It's also great for cleaning downspouts and gutters. The green tip has 25 degrees of spread, and this is great for flushing away leaves and debris on curbs, sidewalks, driveways, and patios. It's also good for cleaning grills and patio furniture, so think of this as your backyard helper. The white tip has 40 degrees of spread, which is perfect for your more fragile surfaces, such as siding, windows, vehicles, and kids' play sets. If you're a parent, you know how difficult those things are to clean. This is perfect for that job. The black tip is actually a low pressure nozzle, which is for applying soap solutions, and this can be used on all types of surfaces. Finally, we have the turbo nozzle, and this one is going to have your most powerful spray of water. This one actually has rotating jets and a 0 degree of spread. So this is what you're really going to want to use on more durable surfaces such as concrete and sidewalks, retaining walls, things like that. So there you have it. Those are the different pressure washer tips. We hope that you found this video helpful. As always, ask questions, leave comments. We'd love to hear what types of outdoor jobs you're working on. If it's an outdoor job, it's in the Greenzone.